Hello and welcome. Today is another one of a requested video tutorial. We are going to make coffee hacks, holiday festive drinks from Starbucks using instant coffee. And for the drink today, we are going to make use of flavors all homemade, my own homemade sauce and syrups. First, we are going to make toasted white chocolate mocha, and I am going to use my toasted white chocolate sauce. If you haven't yet seen the video tutorial on how to make this one, check the link above. And then we are going to make caramel brulee latte, and we are going to make use of my homemade caramel sauce. Again, if you haven't yet seen the video tutorial on how to do this, check the link above. And finally, we are going to make peppermint mocha. Once again, I am going to use my homemade chocolate sauce, and you got it. If you haven't yet seen this video tutorial, check the link above. What we are going to do is to make this very, very simple. We are not going to make any frills here. So those that make instant coffee, they want it instant. But because they are festive drinks, we are going to decorate it to make them look Christmassy. Starting with toasted white chocolate mocha, ingredients are creamer, our instant coffee, we need the toasted white chocolate mocha, we need hot water, and we need the red sprinkles on top. To make it Christmassy, we are going to make use of whipped cream. So I'm going to make it really, really simple. So I'm going to put my instant coffee into my glass, straight into my glass, and the creamer. And to this, I'm going to add hot water. Just put a little bit at the beginning. Stir to combine. And then we are going to add our flavor, which is toasted white chocolate sauce. 2 tablespoons of toasted white chocolate sauce. It is smelling so good, absolutely. And stir once again. And at this point, what we need to do is to fill this to the top with hot water. Now, if you'd like this to be more premium, you can fill it up with steamed milk or warm milk. Okay, so there you go, up to the top, but leave some space for the whipped cream. Stir. And we have our toasted white chocolate mocha using instant coffee. Now, to finish our drink, I'm going to serve it in this beautiful saucer, matching saucer, and we are going to put the icing on the cake, which is the whipped cream. And the final touch to make it Christmassy, our red sprinkles. Next drink, it is hot peppermint mocha. We need instant coffee, we need creamer, we need my homemade chocolate syrup, we need mint syrup or peppermint, depending on what you have available. I'm using a local brand here. And of course, once again, it's going to be using hot water. And I will repeat myself here. If you'd like it to be more premium, you can replace hot water with milk. It just will make it richer. Into our cup, instant coffee, creamer, a little bit of hot water just to dissolve the dry ingredients. Stir. And we are going to add the other ingredients. This time it's going to be our chocolate syrup. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons. Now you can adjust this depending on the size of your cup. So this is 8 ounces. 2 tablespoons of my chocolate syrup. 1 pump is about slightly over 1 teaspoon. Not too much because you just want a hint of mint in there. Okay, now I'm going to fill this to the top with hot water. Now this is a budget-friendly recipe because we are only adding hot water here. This will make it light, not too heavy. If you put milk, it will be more milky and also more premium. Okay, now to finish our drink, making it Christmassy, we're going to add our whipped cream. icing on the cake, some chocolate bits. Starbucks uses chocolate curls, but well, this is yummy enough. And for our final drink, I'm going to make my coffee hack, my own version of caramel brulee latte. I need my instant coffee, I need my creamer, I need my homemade caramel sauce, I need some brown sugar to top it up to make that brulee, and I need the whipped cream. So into my cup, the instant coffee, the creamer, hot water, stir, 2 tablespoons of my homemade caramel sauce. This is really very thick texture. You can also use caramel syrup, but I'd really like it to be very Christmassy, so I'm using caramel sauce. Stir and fill it to the top with hot water. Stir it all in, and you have your caramel latte. Muscovado sugar on top. I'm going to put a lot there, okay? I'd like to brulee that. And there you have my coffee hack version of caramel brulee latte a la Choc. It is smelling so good of brown sugar. Caramel brulee latte a la Choc, peppermint mocha, and toasted white chocolate mocha. So what do you think? Very simple recipes here, all very festive. So you can make Starbucks at home, saves money during the holidays for your gifts, for your friends and family. They look absolutely amazing. For those that do not have whipped cream, you can stop without the whipped cream. You can add milk foam on top, and that should also do the trick. Just make sure you put some Christmassy topping for your drinks. Okay, now I'm going to try each one of them very quickly because there are 3 delicious drinks here. This is peppermint mocha. It's hard with the whipped cream, but I'm going to give it a try. No one will think it is instant coffee. The coffee is strong because we use 2 teaspoons for such a small cup. Delicious, absolutely. And now my caramel brulee latte. It looks gorgeous. The smell of that brown sugar brulee, it is absolutely amazing. Wow, let's have a look. My. That is caramel macchiato like you've never tasted before. If you're looking for sweet treats during the holiday, this is perfect for you. Absolutely amazing. And my final one is my white chocolate, toasted white chocolate mocha. It looks absolutely gorgeous here as well with those red sprinkles on top. It's time to give it a try. Wow, but that is so special. It is absolutely the perfect holiday treat. All using unassuming instant coffee. Well guys, there you have it. Instant coffee lovers, you do not despair. You can make this delicious treats using very simple instant coffee. I hope that this video tutorial is useful and that you can make these drinks for the holiday season. If you have any questions at all, do let me know, comment below. Once again, happy holidays. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.